class, we have started the insert tab and we have completed the whole insert tab. Right now today we are going to continue page layout tab. Okay, in page layout tab, first of all, we are going to discuss for what we use that. Mostly whenever you want that your page will be in how much, your size of the page will be how much, how it will be oriented, what is the width of that, or how many columns come inside it, the text, how much text fit inside it. So that basically depends upon your page layout. While you're going to print, so the grid lines will show inside it or not, okay, or the heading rows will print inside it or not. So that basically depends upon what, the page layout. Right now I'm going to make some here or those things which are necessary inside, or I'm going to go through all these things which are inside it. First of all, okay, first of all, the themes. I've told you the themes is not directly applying. For the themes is applying on what? On a header and footer area. While we are working on a header and footer area, then the themes are applying. It is not directly applying on a text. Okay, it's like I'm going to write here name and class, and I want to apply the theme on it. So what here? Ali, class K, Jawad, class K, come in please, Ahmad, okay. Right now if I apply a theme on it, so here it will not affect, the colors will not affect over there, but when the colors are coming, it's mean it will affect what? Header and footer area. In a word, we have done that. Okay, next one is, furthermore we have what? Orientation, margin, and these we have. Okay, this basically, this whole part belongs to the page setup. This whole part belongs to the page setup. First of all, we are going to consider from here, then we will go to the page setup and see full each and everything which is inside it. Okay, if you want to adjust your margin, right now in Excel, basically sheets are shown, and this sheet is divided into margin, or the sheet is divided into pages, and for pages we will make what? Margin inside it. Okay, here if you see over there, if I'm going to create a margins, so it will show you what is the border area, or here narrow margin. So right now it will show you page breaks available over there. From where you have, this is the page break or not? This is the page break, mean this is up to end your page is. Okay, if I'm going to write something, so that will be available in this page. If I go over to the print preview, 233 has been listed over here or not? Okay, but if you want to write something here, so it will be not included in this page, it will go to the next page. So that is for what? For margins. If you want to change the margin, so from there you can customize the margin here, clicking on here, and what margin? Okay, and also that is top margin will be what, left margin will be what, right margin will be what, header area will be what, footer area will be what. We have discussed this all in a word. Okay, no need of again repeating that. Okay, so you can also, let's suppose I want to increase the header margin 2.5. okay, so while I'm going to print preview, from print preview you can also adjust that, Control F2, and here if you see right now margins are not visible. Okay, so here show margins, so the margin is visible over here or not? Okay, and that was 2 point something, I think so here. So right now you can reduce it from here. Okay, why we increase the margin? Because in this marginal area logo and the or the title is coming, logo and title is coming. If your logo is bigger, okay, and it's not adjusting, so increase the marginal area, then it will come inside it. Or that. Next one we have orientation, means the page will be a landscape or portrait. So from there you can change to the portrait and landscape if the data is not fully coming. Okay, if you have a big data and it's not coming here, so what we are going to do, we change the orientation or not? Okay, right now if I'm going to print preview, so the full data, this space has been extra here or not? Previously it is up to this point, but if the data is like a full result is there, you have seen your result printout, it has been a landscape printed or not? Okay, because the whole entry is not possible to show inside it with the normal font size. It is possible to show, but with a normal font size, it is not possible to do so. Yes, come in. So for that, what we are going to do? We are going to change the orientation of the page to the portrait. Sorry. Next one, we have a sizes available over there. If you want to change the page sizes, A4, A3, letter, legal, okay, or different sizes or customized size if you're going to use. So all these sizes are available. Which size you want to use, just change that to the legal. I told you the legal is slightly bigger, 2 inch or 3 inch bigger as compared to the letter size or A4 size. So select it from here and then you will see in a print preview. Okay, so it is get furthermore bigger as compared to that. Okay. Next one is print area. This is main thing. Which area you want to print. So you can select that. Let's suppose I have a lot of data. Okay, and I'm going to just copy this and move it to the other cells. And change the orientation to the portrait. Done.
Sir, if you want to that your page should be normal.
Normal what? Normal is A4
No,
or letter.
No, in normal. For example, right now you can see the page break. If
Yes.
you want to remove this page break, then it's
You want to remove the page break, go over to the view. Okay, so right now here, print layout, basically the page break is used for what? So that it will show you that this is the end. This is the end. If you does not want, okay, so here go over from the from the page layout, and from there breaks, remove the page break. Okay, so where the break is there, it will be removed. But right now those break which you have created, those breaks which you have created, okay, right now a lot of data is there in my sheet, a lot of data is there. I want to make a page break over there, means I want a print area for that, means this data I want to print, not the whole page. If I go over to the print preview, you will see that a whole list is showing or not. But I do not want that. I want certain part of the data to print. Okay, so what I'm going to do, select those data which you want to print. Okay, and here just print area. So what we are going to do, set print area. Set print area. While clicking on that, this area has been selected for printing. Right now if you go over to the print preview, so you will see just this area is showing or not. Not the other part of your data is available for printing. Got that? Okay. If you want that other will also, so we are going to remove this print area. Then we are going to adjust. Clear print area. Okay. Then it will come to the normal. Normal page size you have, it will come to the normal. Or if you want to add some more area to it, just like I have previously added this portion. And print area, set print area, done. Right now I'm going to add some more along with that. Okay. This area, furthermore I'm going to add, okay, so 2 areas has been added. Right now if you go over to the print preview, so this will come on one page and the other area will come on the another page. Got my point? Okay, that this part will come on one page, the another part will come on the another page. So by the help of this you will do so. Safaya wall or Safaya dome?
it's not coming in one page.
Because you have not told him that come in one page. If you want, no, whenever a break is coming, right now this is the break. This is the break. When the break is coming, it's mean it will come in the next page. When you want, the whole will come in a one page. So just select which one you want. Okay. But it's not like that, the 2 column from here and 2 column from here, 2 column from the another, and just print on one page. So it is not like that. Okay, so if you does not want, clear the print area which you have made. Okay, so it's also possible to do so. Next one, I'm going to breaks. Okay, the breaks are there. If you want to insert a breaks or you want to remove the breaks, okay, reset all the breaks which has been given. right now. If you see the page breaks which has been allotted, okay, that is a normal break. That is a normal break. But if you want that it will break to your cursor point, okay, let's suppose my area is there and I want to make a break over there. Okay, so just go over to the insert page break. So right now you can see that here it has made a break over there or not. So it from this to this point my one page is there. Okay, and down if you see, so other pages is going to be listed down. Okay, so if you go over to the print preview, first page and the second page, here why it's not showing, because here the full data at the right side also two portions are showing which is empty. Okay, so the break is also applied over there. So right now this data has been shown over there which I have applied a break, and the further more data will move to the another sheet. Understand? So it depends upon your choice that which type of break you want to show. So that is the break for this page. If you want to remove the break, and I want to remove this break, okay, reset all breaks, so it is going to be resetted to the normal. Okay, it depends upon your choice. If I'm going to make a background for this document, but it will be not printed, remember that, just for showing, just for visibility it will come. Okay, just I will go to the background and I want to insert tulips. Okay, while going to enter a data, so this picture will be again and again show. Okay, wherever it is available it is going to be shown again and again. Understand my point or not? Nothing is showing over here. Okay, so if I go over to the print preview, normal data is showing or not, but not the background is showing over there. Next one, if you want to delete a background, so again remove from here. Next one is print titles. If you want to print titles, okay, it has been jailbreaked. Yes.
Is it possible the different types of pictures in one document?
Different
Different types of different.
One picture is going to be inserted at the background, not 4, 5, 6. Okay, because it is just like tiles coming. It's just like tile coming at the background. Tiles. Okay. Or maybe that file you have bringed out. Okay, that at the background picture may be there. Background. You, yes, yesterday, customer care, CC. Okay. Understand or not? Furthermore, what is print title? Print title. These are known as a title. These are known as what? Titles. If you want to print these also, okay. So right now, sometimes you want to print these title or something which is repeated on each and every page. You want to show, just like I want to create here. This one is, this should be repeated, or just I'm going to create a data and it should be repeated. Okay. What the data I'm going to show you here? Just like here, what will be their name? Or not here. First column I'm going to use registration number, and then name and class marks. Okay, and I'm going to just enter 2, 3 data here. 04 or just 4, and name is Ali, class K, and marks 20. 5 and Jawad. Okay, I'm going to drag this data and down to the next sheet, to the another sheet. Okay, next one, and to the third one page also I want to do so, page number second, page number third. Okay, right now here, and furthermore I want that the names will also, let's suppose the name I'm going to repeat, and K2 and 18. Okay, the same data is going to be repeated because I'm not going to do entry again. Okay, so if you see here, for the next page what will be there, for next page marks and minus. Okay, for the next page what will be there, this is not coming, this is a header, this is not coming for the next page. If you see control F2, so first page registration number, name and marks are coming or not, but if I go to the next page, nothing available, the heading row is not available. If you want that this will appear on the next page also, so that is repeat title or repeat heading row. So how are we going to do? So we are going to do from here. Okay, which row you want to repeat? We want to repeat a row or column. Row, select that, and that is my row. Okay, clicking here and again okay. Right now if you go over to the print preview, so you can see this is the first page appearing or not, second page, here click on next page, on next page this is there or not, page number 2, registration, class and marks are coming over there or not, registration, name and class, you got that? So automatically repeating, we have told him that repeat that row which we have selected to the other columns also, sorry, to the other pages also. Understand? Sometimes we need that, because maybe if I'm going to enter this data on the next page here, so it makes a problem in a calculations. Okay, while I'm going to write here, so it makes a problem in a calculation. Got that? Okay. So this is a normal page break. Why you want to remove? Whenever it's mean when a page is finished, so it will be shown or not. When you want that the page is finished. Basically, once you're going to press Control F2, automatically it will show. First time you press Control F2, automatically it will show that. Okay, so means the page you have not fully designed. Okay, first time if you're going to write, let's suppose one word inside it and press Control F2, automatically this page border is coming. The reason is there, it will show you that this is the end of your page. It is necessary, because it will show you, it will inform you that up to that your entry is possible inside this page. Why you want to remove that? So just it is, why, just look over here, why just dot line is there? It is not affecting your data. Okay, it is not affecting your editing. Just information has been given that this is the end, this is the end, keep it, it is a benefit. Why you are going to remove that? Okay, so that was a repeated what? Repeated row. Okay, we can also repeat a column. Just like I'm going to select here, what is their registration number? No, next sheet I'm going to do that, and I'm going to write what here, names plus items, and that is, let's suppose, computer, and next one we are going to use stationery, furniture, and household, item, and office item, construction, okay. So right now this item, and I'm going to just copy that and paste it down again and again. Okay, not like that, just from there. wait the page and oh, right now print preview is not being done, so right now it is difficulty for me or not. So you got that? Okay, it's a problem, so that I'm not able to understand where is the end. Okay, so again if I'm going to go over to the print preview and leave it alone, it is going to show you where is the page break. Here page break has been shown. Right now it is easy for me or not? Okay, done. Right now I want that for other pages, just like for these pages. Okay, the same thing is going to be repeated, and here I'm going to just make entries. Okay, here what the data you have entered will also be visible, and what the data I'm going to enter over there. Okay, so this will be for each and every page. This column will be for each and every page. So I'm going to do what? Repeat titles, and here repeats columns. Which column? I want to repeat this column. Done? Okay, and go over to the print preview. Control F2. Right now in the first page is getting repeated or not? If you give a style, then it will be more understandable. Okay, next page. So you can see that if I'm going to make this column border or everything, I'm going to make for that, and home self formatting, that is like that, and I need outside border furthermore. Okay, right now here if I go over to the print preview, so it is furthermore easy to understand that, and here I need what? That this column will be fully visible. Done? Okay. Okay, right now if you go to the next page, so you can see that. Okay, so this column is repeating for 2 pages which you have selected. Got that? In furthermore repeating titles, this has been done. Okay, next is width and height. If you want that, if your page data is more, right now I'm going to show you here. I have data extra classes, and where is that? Oh, papers I have put inside it, and term C1. Okay, here you will see that this is the result, and it is on a big page. I want that the lot of result means number of too many students result will come in a one page. So how I'm going to adjust that? Okay, so in this list you can see that just names are there but not the results. Okay, yes, you can see that if I go over to the print preview, Control F2, here, so it has been adjusted inside it or not? But here the names, you can see that how many names are coming? Just 26. Just 26. Okay, but that is what column? I want that this will fit 26, and total names are how much? 49. Okay, I want that the height will also contain 2 pages. Okay, 2 pages will include inside it. So right now if I see down and go down here and go over to the print preview, previously that was 27, 28. Okay, and at this side I'm going to check that space is coming. Okay, if you have a one sheet and you want that this data will come in a 2 pages by height or by row, also in 2 pages. Okay, Control F2, you will see that this data is going to be, previously that was available on 1 page, right now it has been adjusted to the, previously that was on 2 pages, right now it has been adjusted to the 1 page. Okay, the data which was there, so means it will reduce your text size. It reduced your text size and put large data in a one sheet. Okay, if I'm going to here by the scale, you can also do that. By scale you can also do that. Automatic, here, automatic. Here, if I'm going to adjust the scale, so it is more furthermore easier that I'm going to fit to scale 100. You can see that here it is moving or not. Right now this text will looks bigger in a print preview. The text will look bigger in a print preview. Okay, if I'm going to make it like that, 105 here, so it has been adjusted or not automatically. And if I'm going to furthermore, so the extra space will also included inside it if I go over to the print preview, but the text size will reduce. Control F2, if you check it out, yes, the text size is going to be reduced. You can see that the extra space which is visible over there. Okay, got my point or not? What I want to show to you. So means if you have other columns available over there and you want to adjust inside the page, so how are you going to adjust? Fit to the scale. Fit to scale. That is fit to scale. Okay, so by that we can adjust it to the our sheet. Got my point? Next one we have, if you're using a Dari language and you want to convert this rows which is available on the left side, you want to convert it to the right side. So how are we going to do? Just sheet converter and it is going to be shifted. Okay, right to left and left to right. Okay, right now in a normal view, when you go over to the print preview, okay, in a normal it will, this is for normal. In a normal you will see the grid lines or not. Okay, if you does not, just like the document which you have bring to me, grid line has been hidden inside it. Okay, so this way. Okay, but if you want to see this grid line in a print preview or not, okay, if you go over to the print preview, so the grid lines are not showing, the border which we have created are showing. The grid lines are not showing, the border which we have created are showing. Okay, right now if you have not created the border, if you have not created the border, just like for the sheet number 3, I'm going to sheet number, this one. Okay, I want to write something here. Okay, so that is not included in a border. I want to show a grid lines. Okay, in a print also show me a grid line. Control F2, but that is a page break available over there. Okay, so I'm going to increase that. Auto fit to the page. Done. And Control F2. Right now you will see that here a box are showing or not. Right now same box will print out, which is a grid lines. Okay, but if you want that grid lines will not shown, just the border which you have created, so remove from this and Control F2 press and it will be not shown, but the border which you have created is going to be print out. Understand? Next one is headings. These column names, these row names are known as a heading. If you want to print these also, so it's also possible. Right now here in a normal view these are visible or not, but if you does not want to view it, so it get hidden or not. Okay, if you want to show it, so it's also possible. But if in a print preview you go over to the print preview, this thing is possible to show? No, right now it is not visible. But if you want to show these also, so how I'm going to show that? Just go over in a print, this will also visible. You can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the numbers are also showing, and furthermore A B C D E F G H is also available in a print preview. Furthermore we have selection pane, and for that I need objects or images or shapes. Okay, go over to the insert and I'm going to insert some shapes, one shape and one more. Changing the color. Okay, right now same thing which we have done, that this bring to front or bring to back, which we have done in our Word, same thing is there. Okay, nothing change. And green. Okay, right now one is at the top, another top, so right now bring to front, bring to back. This one I'm going to bring to the front. Okay, bring forward or bring front, so it will be at the top. Same things are there or not? which we have done in our Word. No need of repeating it. Okay. Send to back, same, clicking on that, it will back. Okay. And the selection pan. Okay, if you remember, I have done the selection pan in a home tab. Home tab, I have done that or not? Okay. Yeah. Not be like that I have not done that. Okay. Here, if you want that this one is going to be appeared or not appear, this rectangle, this one is going to be hidden. Okay. If you want that another object is going to be hidden, this one and this one individually, one by one, can be hidden from here, or show all the objects will be visible. That is known as selection pan. If you want that this will order will be, it will come at the top. Okay. So right now by order level, this is the first one, second one, and third one. So you can also arrange by order level. Okay. So it depends upon your choice. Reorder or order. Understand? So this is a simple thing, nothing more difficult inside it. I know, got that, Shakib? Okay, next one we have in page layout tab, selection pan. Yes, alignment. Okay, if you want to align these items to the one row or one column, just like that, it is going to be aligned straight. So first of all, select all these objects. Okay, and you want to align them. So here, how you want to align to the top. So you can see that at the same level it's coming or not. And if you want that this is going to be aligned to the medium, means at center, what if one object is bigger. Okay, and all are selected, therefore one object is as compared to the other bigger, and I want to select other. Okay, right now I am going to align to the center. Align to center. So they are going to align to the center. Okay, so that is the settings which you have, which you're going to make. Okay, the central line, they are going to align this object center line. Okay, so that's also possible. We have done grouping is also there. If you want that all these objects will move at the one unit, so clicking on this and this, so they will be as a one unit. Group them, group done. So right now no need of one object selection. Okay, it's like pictures you have, logo you have, signature line you have, so you can use it by the help of that. Same rotate we have, and if you want to rotate it to a 90 degree, 45 degree, how much, or if you want to give a flip, so that is a flip, horizontal flip and vertical flip. Previously it was at that side, right now it is at that side. You can also give more degrees options over there, how much degree you want to give, so just give it. So it's also possible. You can add a text, this I think so. All these we have done in a Word. No more repeating of that. Okay, I think so. Something is left which I'm going to do here in a page setup. Okay, we have done adjust to, which is a size, fit to, yes, this is done. Page size is also there. Yes, print quality. If you want to that your quality of print is high, so 600 dpi, dots per inch. Okay, but if you want to create a lower quality, so right now it is not installed, it depends upon your printer. Okay, if you are using dot matrix printer, so 600 dpi is not possible to print on it. Okay, so you can adjust it from here. Same margins are there, we have adjusted the margin. Yes, one main thing is there, aligned to the center, horizontal and vertical. Okay, right now if I have a data, what I've clicked, right now if I have a data and a data is less, in the next sheet, if I go over to the print preview, control F2, and here in a one page it is showing like that. But if you go over to the next page, you can see that next page here it is coming at the top or not. I want that this data result will come in the center of the page. The data come at the center of the page. So how are you going to do? Go over there, page setup. Okay, first of all I'm going to reduce the view so that it is visible to you. Zoom. Okay, I want that this will come at the center. How I'm going to adjust that? Go over to the page setup, and from there go over to the, you want a horizontal or vertical. Okay, so horizontal and vertical both I am going to align. So clicking OK. So right now you will see the result is coming at the center of the page or not. Sometimes we need that. I have just 3 or 4 lines and I want to print in the center, or I have just 3 or 4 records and I want to print at the center of the page, which look nice. Okay, so by the help of this you can arrange that. One is horizontal center and another one is a vertical center. Okay, so this is the way how you're going to adjust that. Understand? Okay, header footer we have done that, no need of repeating that. Sheet, header footer we have also done, and sheet is also there, which repeating header row. Okay, yes, grid lines we have done black and white. If you want that your page is going to be print black and white, colors will be not there. Okay, so just click on that. And draft quality, I have told you, with the draft quality no images will be there. When you select a draft quality, no images will be shown when you go over to the print preview. Okay, if you have images, and when you select a draft quality, images will be not shown. Okay, row and column headings, same which we have selected, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, they will show or not show. Okay, this is the main thing. Sorry, print order. The print order is that from down then over. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are down pages, they are going to be completed where data entry is there. Then it will go to the next one. Okay, so that is down to order. But if you want that, first of all, in a column, how many pages you have. Okay, just like Z. Okay, so that is over and done. So we are going to select first page, second page, third page, and fourth page. Okay, so it depends upon your choice how you have done a data entry. Okay, if you have done entry down, just like one page has been done, down next page, third down, fourth page, and this like that. So then if you want that it is going to be print, so select the first one. Okay, but if you want to do it just like you have made an entry, I've seen one file which has been given by a student to me, and it's what was there. I'm going to see my document. That was a student data term C1 resume. No, that is not student data. DAT, customer care functions, assignment, not available. Okay, here not available, leave it. So basically that was just like, we can say that was the receipts, receipt. Okay, 1, 2, first, second, third, and it is in a column wise. So how are you going to print that? In a column wise, the data entry is doing. So we are going to change our print order, that it is going to be print like this order. Okay, so that is possible by the help of this. Understand? So that was the main things which is inside it. Okay, yes, headers and footer again I'm going to do from here, which has been some left inside it. Okay, if you want to customize, okay, so it's also from here. I want to customize header. So here, this we have done in previous lecture. If you want to insert this, so also from here, but that is all these options for 2003. But in 2007, easiest way is just go over to the insert and header and footer. Right now everything is showing over here or not? Okay, which we have entered over there. So right now it is available inside it or not? Okay, so what are you going to edit inside it? So just clicking on that is left, right, center aligned, or everything which I have shown or everything which you have seen, it is coming over here. You can also make this header and footer for first page different, for here different, for odd and even page you're going to make a different. It depends upon your choice. Okay, I think we have done this in a previous class. Understand? This was about today's class. Any question? Just wait, I'm going to stop the recording. Stop.